Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening 5 My Little Ponies, but today we're opening 1. But in this video we're gonna have them really separate apart. You have to find another video, right, cameraman?
Yes, you're right.
You find another video so you can see these 4 ponies. But today we're opening My Little Pony Equestria girls.
Yeah,
and her name is Trixie Lulamoon. Take a look at the back. You see, this is nothing to do with that.
That's Spanish. That's all the Spanish
word. Trixie Lulamoon. That's nothing.
Well, you don't speak Spanish, but you can speak.
I speak Portuguese very good.
Can you say something in Portuguese?
Porque.
What does it mean, porque?
Why?
Well, I know French. French is pourquoi.
Can I open it?
Yeah, sure, of course you can open it.
I'm going to use this where my cameraman picks his out. Just kidding. Just kidding, that's nothing. That's just a thing who lets this go like scissors, right? Now we got one side done. Now let's do the other side.
Yeah.
Now we finished picking the side. We can open it. We got the card that says something. And then now we got this one, the flyer, and we can see what we get. We can let me see. We can't get the main 6 ponies. Let's see in the back. Oh, we can get the main 6 ponies. Okay, now we show you the flyer. We finished showing you the flyer. Let's show you the Trixie Lulamoon doll. Why is this impossible? I can't do this one. Can I? But it's not working. Here, cameraman. Well, Trixie is gone. We can show you the hat and this Equestria stand. And then we have the tweezers. And you can also take off the card. Playing cards. Yeah. You can't take them off. You can't take them off. Yay! We got Trixie Lulamoon. Let's put her hat on first.
You can see the shadow on the wall.
Do you remember this place? Guys, have you watched my other video?
No, maybe.
Which the Smasher ones? And the, oh, you can remove her clothes? I did not know that. Oh, I just removed her skirt. And let's see if her shirt is removable. No, only her skirt is removable. Now that was very loud because little creepy man is sleeping. I mean little Ashley is sleeping. Did you know about Ashley? Yeah, look at that. Did you know about Ashley? Was my little sister?
Oh, see.
Why is she always losing her hat?
Yeah, fall down, Dad, fall
I'm
down.
supposed to put her dress back on now. La la la. Now I finished put her dress back. Why does her shoes look like she's backwards? Okay, stop talking about that. Her head. Her hat. Can you say something about the hat?
I have no idea.
The hat falls off.
Yeah, it's fell off. Some
people just
talking nonsense.
Talking nonsense. That ruins it. So now we keep opening awkward. Now we can't put it on. Now that's more awkwardy. Now I put one feet on. And the other feet is going to be kind of hard because it's already on. Yeah, okay, now let's take a look at Trixie Lulamoon. Hi! Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. And press the subscribe button right here. Press. And we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. Mwah.